Expansion and factorization of algebraic expression. We are starting part 2 and question also number 2, where expand each of the following. Let's start. Number A, 2x times 5x plus y. As per distributive law, we can write 2x times 5x plus 2x times y. It means 2x times 5x. It means 2 times 5 is a 10, and x multiply, it will become x square plus 2xy, right? Number B, we can write like this way, or if you want anybody, we can write also like 3a 2a plus 7b. It means 3a times 2a plus 3a times 7b. So 3 times 2 is a 6, a times a is a square, plus 3 times 7 is a 21, and a times b is a ab. Okay, this is a number B. So A and B done. Number C, here is 6x times 3x minus y. So we can write 6x times 3x minus 6x times y. So 6 and 3, it will be 18, x and x square, and here is 6xy, right? C done. Number D, 5a times a minus b. So 5a times a, it will be 5a square, minus 5a and b, it will become ab. We also can write like this. Okay. Number E, minus x 5h plus 3k. So minus x and 5h, it will become minus 5xh. Minus and minus, minus and plus, it will be minus, so 3kx, right? Then F, minus 3a times 2a plus 3b. So minus 3 times 2 is a 6, a times a is a square, minus and plus, minus 3 times 3 is a 9, a times ab, a and b, it's the ab. Then number G, minus 2h minus 3k. So here is minus 2h and h square, minus and minus plus, 2 times 3 is a 6, then hk. Number G done. Number H, here is minus 4m times 2m minus 5n. So minus 4 times 2 is 8, m and m square, minus and minus plus, 4 times 5 20, m and n mn. Okay. Number I, minus 7a, then minus 2a plus 3b. So minus and minus plus, 7 times 2 is a 14, a and a square. Initial plus, it's not important. Then minus and plus, minus 7 times 3 is a 21, a times b is a ab. Okay. And today's last question, number Z, minus 3k, then minus 2h minus 7k. So this minus 3k and minus 2h, it means minus and minus plus, 3 times 2 is a 6, k and h multiply kh. Similar, minus and minus, it will be plus, 3 times 7 is a 21, k and k multiply, it will become k square. So we are trying to expand around 10 math based on algebraic expression. So no more today. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel, which is Math Beat, where we are trying to solve some math and also IT related question. Thank you very much, and also please share with your friends. Thank you.